Good afternoon. I'm Adegunwa Joseph, a graduate of Obafemi University. I graduated with a first-class degree in mechanical engineering.
Okay, Joseph. Can you tell us about your experience in the oil and gas sector and how it relates to your course of study?
Oh, as a mechanical engineer, I have strong knowledge in hydraulic and fluid flow, which is essential in pipeline design, pressure control, and safe oil transportation, which positions me to contribute effectively to your company.
That's good, Joseph. Thank you for your time. We'll be back to you via email.
Thank you. I'll be looking forward to hearing from your dear company. Oh, babe.
Just see, the food is on the table.
Oh, thank you.
And where was the interview went for?
It was great. They said you'll get back to me by email.
I hope so. It's good this time around.
Oh, I think I'll meet already.
So, okay, you can check it. How is it? Talk to me now. Mm-hmm.
If the interview did not, she will still bring Daddy to this table. Hello, how far now? Idris, Nami Joseph.
Joseph? Which Joseph?
Idris, you don't lost my contact. Nami now, Adegunwa Joseph.
Joseph, long time, my guy.
Idris, calm down. I need your help.
Need my help? Joseph, hope you remember saying I help me for school.
Oh no, I did serious like this. How you feel help me?
You are the listen.
Could you believe that over 2 years we graduated from school? I've been looking for a job everywhere and I couldn't find one.
Joseph, you be best student, you find job. Me say when I carry for class, now mechanic work and everybody goes home.
Mechanic?
Yes, ma'am. I study mechanical engineering. I do mechanic. You get for what is the difference?
Please, I beg, I did serious. Help me now.
Well, if you come Lagos, come also, go be okay. 30,000 naira a month and see some clients. Regi.
Lagos. Mechanic work again. How you feel help me, please, I beg?
If I get to that option, I will draw myself now. Think about how you call me anyhow.
Okay. I'll call you back.
Oh yeah, now bye-bye.
Joseph, I'm tired of drinking garri every day. What they got to do? I'm tired.
Just leave my husband. Where do you get all this thing from?
I stole it. Eat something and
At least thank God we are not eating garri this afternoon. I'm just joking now. Joseph. This afternoon I was working on my project and I wanted to put something on the laptop. I couldn't see the laptop. Please, where's the laptop? Joseph, I'm talking to you now. Where's the laptop?
Oh, laptop. I gave Uncle Dipo now.
What for?
He wanted to use it for something.
Do you know what? Call Uncle Diko now. I should bring the laptop. I need to work on my project, please.
Call Uncle Dipo. Eat your food, baby.
Call him now. I'm not eating. Call Uncle Diko.
Juliet. See, at this point, I think I have to tell you the truth.
You did what?
I told you to buy this Ijakuje that you want to eat now. Is that not it?
Why do you have to sell the laptop? What for? Is it because we are hungry? Is it because we are suffering? That's why you have to sell the laptop.
Hey, reduce your voice now. Neighbors, they are around.
I don't fucking care. Let them hear our voice. Why do you have to sell the laptop now?
But Juliet, it was you 3 hours ago shouting that you are tired of drinking Gary. Now I saw my laptop to put something on the table. You are still complaining. Try palming me. You want to kill me?
I'm not saying you should kill yourself. But for what reason we have to sell the laptop? She laptop don't put to your tani. Even though I said I'm tired of drinking Gary, but this is not an excuse now.
This is not an excuse.
Yes.
Juliet, this is not an excuse.
Yes.
By thought we both agreed on building this house, this family,
No,
on
stop
love.
it there.
Not money.
Stop it there. Please, even if we have to build this thing on love, does that mean we should suffer? No, but see, I'm tired of this.
Idris, please send me your address. Please, I use my money to buy something. How to eat it? This is the money left. The laptop I sold soon. I'll be leaving for Lagos soon. Don't worry.
ọba àríkùsí máa délé ọ̀pọ̀ òpin ni wọ́n ara olùkẹ́ lọ́pọ̀lọ́ kí ni wọ́n ò máa rí kéèyàn kankan lọ́láàrọ̀.
Ghana, since morning, we are not finish this work. Don't see alternator, Muna. For him. Where is father? Why say we go bring? You can't do freedom. You cannot. It is a father. It is a father. It is a father. This one. Joseph! Eh? Joseph! Joseph! My friend, no. How you take to get this place?
You know I'm a smart kid.
Hey, Joseph! I know my friend, though. Come first me for that. Parisha, Joseph! Joseph! Oga o, my Oga, my Oga, OGA, Oga. This is that my friend I told you, Joseph. That my friend where I tell you say you won't come Lagos. Say. So guys, make I explain to you. Many things, Oga. No worry. This guy, Osharopa. Oga, you get what they say where we got that day. People are not going,
Idris. Joko sọ̀rọ̀. Ìwọ náà sọ̀rọ̀. Talk.
Joseph, sir.
Okay. Joseph, your friend already told me about you. But can you work? Ṣé ó sì lè ṣiṣẹ́ báyìí?
Oga, this one no dey talk o. Balotali.
Ṣé kí n sọ̀rọ̀?
Agbẹnusọ. You can work, Oga.
No problem. Kò sí wàhálà. You can start work. But ọ́fíìsì mi ṣe o. Bèrè lọ́wọ́ Idris.
Oga mi. Thank you, Oga. Oga, you get what's for you. Kana. Jose, boy, you fresh o. You no even be like person wey dey suffer at all.
You do need to look at your problem.
But Jose, thank God for you o. That time we dey university. If no be say you all those exams, I no go only and I go pass. Jose, guy, man, tell you something. If to say you be woman, I for marry you.
Yeah, you never leave all this your.
I no lie o, na in my AI. Since you say that time, you just dey abuse. You say if you make me dey cry, you just say.
Ìsìlálà gbọ́yìn ti dé o.
Ìsìlá mi ìsìlá. Mo ti fi ṣe pa ọmọ mi ìsìlá. Ọmọ mi gbogbo àdìmẹ́lú ẹ̀yìn mi ó gbórí mi o. Ó yá ìsìlá nǹkan. Kọ́kọ́ fún mi ní àna ọmọ túnà kó bá fẹ́lẹ̀ ní ìṣeré kò dé.
Sísè ni wọ́n.
Last year ni ìbọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi ò mọ̀ ní sí ẹni àwọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Fine uncle, you better sit back o.
Ó ti tọ́.
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí o.
Àwọn obìnrin parọ́ fún ọ. Kàná àtọ̀ ibùsẹ̀ gbàgbó. Ó yá ọ̀ mi ètò mi lọ́sílẹ̀ fún mi o. Ìsìlá.
Bàdá yìí
Ìsìlá.
èmi lélẹ̀.
Ó máa ń dá mi lọ́rùn tó bá ní.
Ó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Ó máa gbé yín débẹ̀ ni. Irú wẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀.
Ó máa ń fà mí débẹ̀. Ó yá ló wà
Ìsìlá.
Ọ̀gá o.
Wọ́n tàgbó fún mi.
Okay. Ọ̀gá o.
Ìsìlá.
Oko ọrọ̀ ajé. How market?
Ìyá ọ̀gá. Ṣé wà?
Ọ̀gá ló rán kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn o. Orí ẹ̀yin ni ẹ̀ṣẹ́ ìkọlù bá mi kí ló kàn sí ẹ. Ṣó ti rí? Yóò sọ́ọ̀kì mi. Ìlà mú ẹ̀ pa ni. Wo bí bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ̀ ṣe fọwọ́ gba lórí díẹ̀. Ó gbóná. Gba díẹ̀. Ṣé náà ti connect? Ó ti connect. Ṣé báyẹn ti ń rò padà? Ó ti yí díẹ̀. Ó ti rò. Yes sir. Ó yá wo bátì yẹn, olùbáṣẹ wo bátì yẹn ṣé ó ti tán náà?
Ó máa ṣọ́ọ̀kì mi.
Yóò ṣọ́ọ̀kì ẹ̀ díẹ̀. Ara ṣẹ́ yóò ṣọ́ọ̀kì ẹ̀ díẹ̀. Lọ́ba mú ẹ́ńjìn ẹ̀ wá. Lọ́ba ń gbé ẹ́ńjìn ẹ̀ wá. Ok, ó yá tètè. Ọ̀pẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ìgbéra.
Idris fẹ́ lọ.
Joseph mi ọgbà. Wọ́n sáré parí ọkọ̀ máa yìí nǹkan tó gbé fún tó wá gbé. Ọkọ̀ sójà lẹ́tọ́ ní orí wàhálà. Last time tó gbọ́gà. 4 days lọ́gà ló bá ọ̀gá tó 4 days bá rà. Ìgbọ̀n náà bí náà fẹ́.
And Idris, I won't for the person. Yeah, I've been.
So kò lè ṣe.
No, really not. Like, I've been trying to reach Juliet and she hasn't been able to.
Àbò mi ṣe ẹ̀yà mi sí náà rí.
I just want to tell you about my plans coming home over that time.
Well, she might be busy. That's why maybe she's not picking.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Over 2 days.
it's possible. You know this network problem, guys. Sometimes it used to do anyhow. Just calm down, no problem. But if you reach home, no give her belly. No give her it though. No give her belly. So no worry, my time no be.
So
I
what
will
is
tell
all
you.
the do things like this?
I won't finish this 3 months.
And Idris, I never paid the side in trouble.
Oga no get wahala, no worry. Just get Oga.
Oga, when they use work play.
Oga no get wahala, no worry. Toyibu! Oh!
Make I go.
Toyibu!
Wait,
Ọmọ ẹ̀dá mú ẹ o! Ọ̀rẹ́ jí ọ̀
no, enjoy.
ooo kí la fẹ́ gbọ́ báyìí.
Salilu, I'm not seeing what.
Rárá, bóyá ọ̀yìn ni àbí màmá dọ̀. Kọ́ọ̀tì náà ń darẹ̀. Ìwọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó ṣàbójó lókè.
Báwo? Fine, sir. Yes, I want to see you, sir.
O fẹ́ rí mi.
You can.
Máa lọ. Tí máa ṣe tán máa pẹ́.
You can bring it. Shit. Where now, Oga? Sir, I'm planning to travel tomorrow to see my class. It's been over 1 year I've seen her. To see.
Wait. What is tomorrow date?
February 14th, sir.
February 14. Joseph, why are you not beating around the bush? Just tell me you want to go and celebrate Valentine with your fiancé. Will I stop you not to go? So nǹkan, àwa náà ti ṣe wéèrè. Oh no, you know láti parọ́ fún mi. Oh Joseph, you know I don't joke with my job.
I know, sir.
Tó bá lọ, o gbọ́dọ̀ pẹ́ dé o.
I'll be back.
Promise. Bá mi pé.
So what do you want me to do? Can I? No, I can help you with some other
O
tools.
ṣe o dà ó yá jẹ́ ká jọ máa ṣe. Yeah, I have it here. Let's see if it is.
Something is wrong. What's wrong? You're nothing.
Julie, what's going on? What is this?
Hello. Who are you?
Julie, what's going on?
Hello. Are you okay? Are you okay? Please be careful.
Juliet!
I'll call you back. I will slap you. Be careful, Mr. Man.
Juliet!
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 Mr. Man.
Juliet, what's going on? Juliet!
See, just see. I'm so sorry.
Juliet!
I truly love you, but I can't cope with this any longer. I have no issues with you. It's just that I can't cope with this. I need to go in peace.
Oh, we started this together!
See, I have no issue with you, but I need to go in peace, please.
And who is that guy?
See, if you care to know his name is Romeo. And I guess my Juliet has met her own Romeo.
Juliet! Please! Juliet, please! I beg you!
I have to go now.
Juliet, please! Juliet! Ha! Juliet, please now!
Hello, and
Please!
Mr. Man, get the fuck out of me.
Ha! Bro, please! 1 minute! Juliet! Juliet, is that you? Juliet, as usual, the Gary and granules, you left me. It's all fencer. Juliet. You are going nowhere. I paid for your school fees, nice classes, nice rooms. How even? Juliet! Oh, where?
I thought love was everything. That when it leaves, life stops. I didn't know that sometimes love has to live for purpose to show up. I thought losing someone I loved would break me. Instead, it rebuilt me. Then I realized losing someone doesn't mean you lose yourself.
Wọ́n yìí kọ́kọ́ yọ̀ bọ̀dà kó mi orúkọ mi sẹ́ ẹ̀ pé mi ní Idris ọ̀ Aidinobu bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mo fi jẹ́ lọ ṣáájẹ́ mọ jẹ́ dodo ẹ̀.
Bọ̀dá Idris.
So Instagram account.
Instagram.
Ọ̀la ìlówó àbábọ̀ sí ní sinú kọ́ni mo fọ́lú ẹ̀ àwọn tún díẹ̀ nọ́ọ̀tì. Àwọn sàtàn ọwọ́ ìrántí mọ̀ra gbó wọ́n fọ́ ọmọ mo ní plan fún ẹ gan-an.
Bọ̀dá Idris mi ò ṣe yẹn o.
Ọmọ mi bọ̀ rí mo láìjẹ́ pa wo kí ni bá kúrò nígbà yìí nísìnyí ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi gbàǹgbà báyìí ló ti tóbi. Àwọn mi ìsìlá.
Bọ̀dá Idris.
Tó sẹ́ ojú ilé wá. Tó sẹ́.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
This, a lot happened.
What's here?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà?
She left me.
Girlfriend yẹn fi lẹ̀. But what? For this Lagos, girl too much. Sexy girls in my city.
Ẹni ọ̀bọ̀dá Joseph. Mo single mo wá.
No. Ṣé náà sọ ni?
Isla, fún káàbọ̀.
Bọ̀dá Joseph. Ẹ máa gbó.
Kana.
Ẹ máa gbó.
Joseph fẹ́ máa gbó. Joseph. Agbo Joseph.
Life can disappoint you. It can slow you down. It can make you question everything. But disappointment is not the end. Sometimes it's a sign, a quiet reminder to keep moving. Life is more than good grades, more than perfect plans. It rewards effort, patience, and consistency. When the path changes, the journey doesn't end. Sometimes feeling lost is how you discover your strength. Love is beautiful, but purpose is stronger.